Hello and welcome to video number 1 of 4 of a new series called Buying a Yamaha Portable Generator. This series is meant to complement an extensive written review of Yamaha generators that can be found on the One Stop Generators website. We are highly experienced professional engineers with extensive experience in small and large-scale generation. We are quite impressed with the Yamaha line of portable generators. The following slides illustrate their many uses. Not only are they applicable to power outages and adverse weather conditions, but also to recreation and entertainment. As professional engineers who have dealt with all kinds of adverse weather conditions and situations, we understand the need for ruggedness and reliability. Further, there is a need for ultra-quiet operation whenever camping and entertainment uses are in mind. Look for more detailed information at onestopgenerators.com. The following slides provide more detailed information about the properties and qualities of Yamaha generators. Please read the detailed reviews that we have posted on onestopgenerators.com. There will be 3 more videos in this series, so please watch for them. Please read the detailed articles at the URL on your screen.